Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Ron Paulo, and in this video, this is not going to be another typical gameplay video, but instead, I will walk you through what my RedBubble store is like. So if you don't know what RedBubble is like this merch on demand store wherein you can sell all of your graphic designs through t-shirts, shorts, bags, laptop cases, mouse pads, clocks, etc. So I have my own RedBubble store, and you guys can also buy some of the merch that I have through my RedBubble store. So that's another great way for you to support the channel. If you have some money that you would like to use so that you can buy some new clothes for your children or even for your loved ones like your grandparents or your cousins, your aunties, your uncles during Christmas, then you can buy some of the clothes that I have for sale on RedBubble. With that being said, I'm gonna show you what my RedBubble store looks like and where you can access my store. So let's start the video. I'm gonna share my screen to you right now. Here we go. Okay everyone, so this is my store right here. So the name of my store is the same name as my YouTube channel name, Ron Paul Happy Gamer. I have joined since September 2024, which was last year, and of course I have 22 designs. But I will create more designs in the future so that you guys will be able to choose between different options. So I will create more designs soon, okay? But if you guys have any suggestions on which type of design you want me to create next, let me know in the comments, okay? I'm always open for more ideas from you guys, okay? This is the banner. This is the same banner that I've used for my YouTube channel, the good gamer and the bad gamer. So this is the yin yang symbol. And then these are some of my featured products. So I'm currently posting all of these right now, so they are all enabled. You can buy either one of them at any time you want. These are the prices, and from each of the designs that I have, there are different sayings that are about games, inspiration, mindset, having a good mindset, just like this one. Upgrade your mindset, not just your gear. This is a poster which you can hang onto your wall, and this is the estimated delivery date. So no matter where you are in the world right now, you can still buy from RedBubble, but of course, the product that you have been ordering from RedBubble will be delivered to you, but it might take a long time. So I'm not sure because I haven't even bought anything from RedBubble yet. But expect shipping delays soon, okay? Every time you order one of my products. I have some other designs, so let me just show them to you. So there are some others that I really like, and most of the designs that I have are made from pixel art. So this is a 2D pixel art that I have created. Born to compete, built to win. It shows the picture of a guy with muscles. He has such bigger muscles. He looks like a Mr. Olympiad bodybuilder. Get it? I'm pretty sure you all know what a bodybuilder is, but this is a really fun poster that I have made. And for this one, you can buy it on t-shirts, or you can also get this on a mug or on an artboard. It depends on you, okay? Or even a cap. We have a cap right here, so you can also change the color if you prefer. You can change to green or pink or black or navy blue. It's all up to you on which color you want. And then there are more products that you can buy with this design. That's what I like about RedBubble. There's even long sleeve t-shirt which is the one that I would always wear whenever I need to go to sleep. Looks cool, right? You can also choose the size. If you are not so big, then you can choose small. But if your body is getting a bit bigger, then you can choose XL or 2XL, a double extra large. And then you can also choose whether to print the design at the front of your shirt or at the back. Okay? I'm not sure if it's gonna look good on the back of your shirt, but we'll change this back to front again. And then if you really want to buy this shirt, you can just add this shirt to cart. You can add this to cart like so. And then you can process your payment through this checkout button. You can either pay via PayPal or credit card. So just stick to the payment method that you have with you. Okay? You can choose to increase the quantity. You can buy 2 shirts or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Well, I don't think I can be able to buy 8, but I'm just gonna remove this from my cart because I really wanted to just show to you what the add to cart feature looks like in RedBubble. Okay, and then let me show another menu. So let me just go to my shop. Give me a moment. Okay, so let's go to explore designs. Okay, these are all of the designs that I have made so far. All of the designs that I have posted in RedBubble, I have created them all using Canva. So Canva is the only graphic design tool that I use for designing my print-on-demand images or even my pixel art, photos like this, the real-world poses. So I always add a saying every time I create a print-on-demand design. Grind today, dominate tomorrow, but this is not the pixel art, okay? And then we also have this one, life's better with extra lives. I also like this design. I just thought that you will need more extra lives if you were to play a game that is so extreme for you, or a game that is extremely difficult for you to go through. And then this one, every boss fight makes you better. So this background is not transparent. I decided not to make the background transparent. I really wanted to include the digital artwork of a knight in shining armor trying to fight a really big dragon. So he's trying to slay the dragon with all of the might and strength that he's got. This is perfect. I mean, it's a digital artwork, but at least it's just relatable to the saying that is imprinted on this design. Every boss fight makes you better, which is true. I also have some other designs, but for now, you guys can just buy the designs that I have. And if there is a design that you really like, you can just set this as favorite, just like this one. I'm gonna choose one, like this one, Gaming Rules the World, so I can just set this as my favorite design. Save to favorites, yeah. And then, once you have saved this to favorites, then you can choose to buy at least one apparel with this design. If you want to unfavorite this, then you can just click this again, okay? Yeah, and then done. That's it. It's playtime. This is also pixel art. Press starts. So these are all just clouds, by the way. And then the lines represents the raindrops that are falling from the sky. There are such cool designs that you can find here in my store. So that's a quick overview of my RedBubble store. And then let me show you my bio. So this is where you can find my bio. And then as you can see, one person has already set one of my designs as his favorite design. So that's weird. And this is all you need to know about me, graphic designer and illustrator who shares the love and passion for art, media, literacy, and gaming. I would love to showcase my love for art to other people who want to appreciate my personal hobbies and aspirations. And then these are my social links, so you can just follow me on YouTube. So I don't think I have set any social media links from my RedBubble site, but hopefully someday I will set my social links for my site. And then that's all you need to know about my store, okay? So next, I'm going to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how you can access my RedBubble store from my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. If you want to access my RedBubble store from my YouTube channel, all you have to do is go to my About page. You just have to click this link right here. Okay, this will take you to my description page. So you get to read all about what my channel is, who I really am as a YouTuber, and what I usually do in my YouTube channel. But as you scroll down, you can see that there are these links right here. So I have some donation links, or if you really want to send a donation to my channel, you can just click one of these links here. And there is a third link that I have just posted, which says check out my RedBubble store. So if you click on this link right here, I'm going to click it right now, okay? So, as you can see, the link jumped to my store. So that's how you can go to my store from my YouTube channel if you are still on YouTube right now. So you can view my profile. Yes, this is my profile. I've showed this to you before. That's it. That's all you have to do if you want to open my RedBubble store from YouTube. And then if you want to search my store from RedBubble, then you have to type in the username of my store. So in this case, my username is fashionista-82. So yes, this is where you can find my store on the search bar. We found the person that matched fashionista-82. So this is the username that I have used for my store. I could try to change my username, but I'm afraid I can't do that. So you can't really change your username when you have built your store on RedBubble. So you can only change it once, I think. After that, that's it. So I'll just have to stick with this username. And then you can just click on View Shop, and it will just take you to the shop again. It's as simple as that, right? So you can sort by category. In this case, we can sort by clothing. So you can see all of the clothes that I have for sale using my designs. So these are just the featured designs. These are not all of the clothes that I'm selling. You can change to dresses, so it will only filter all of the dresses for women. They almost look the same really, but in different colors. And then you can also change this to tank tops or sandals. Yeah, there we go. So you can also buy a tank top using one of my designs, and then there's even a sweatshirt and hoodie filters. So these are sweatshirts, by the way, and then these are hoodies. So whenever you see a piece of clothing that looks like this, so there are these two laces that is to the center of your hood, so that is a hoodie. Okay. We have more. I will show it to you. So I will go back to all categories, and then let me see the accessories. So these are all of the accessories that you can buy with my design. So you have scarves, hats, pins, tote bags, and then we also have, I think, bathroom, bidets. There's more. And then we also have, let me see. I'm just going back to the categories. Home and living. So for home and living, this is where you can see all of the clocks that you can buy. We also have mugs, pillows, stickers, posters, coasters. That's it. And then we also have bathroom curtains. This is a bathroom curtain. And then we also have magnets for your refrigerator. Looks cool. And then what else? There's more, but I'm not sure if I'll have enough time to show them to all of you. But We also have phone cases. You can also buy my designs on phone cases, like the one that I have, which is Samsung. So you can buy a phone case with my design using a phone case like this. So this is a Samsung phone case. Even most of the phone cases that are in the store are from Android devices. So this phone case can be bought with my phone, and then we also have a phone case with 3 cameras. Looks cool. And then sorry. There are even more designs with this phone case, but I don't really use phone cases that much for my designs. We also have babies, kids and babies. Oh yeah. So you can buy a mini shirt for your kid, or if you have a baby with you, you can just buy baby clothes with my designs. And then that's it. So these are all of the categories that you can explore. That's the end of the video, guys. There are other print-on-demand stores that you can check out, like Teespring, TeePublic, Amazon Merch on Demand, Etsy, and so much more. I am definitely planning on opening up more print-on-demand stores, so stay tuned for that. And for now, you can just buy my print-on-demand designs from RedBubble. I hope you liked my store so far, and if you really like my store, you can always follow my store. You can also add one of my designs as your favorite designs, okay? With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like the video. Give the video a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions about my shop from RedBubble and how you can buy one of my products, then you can leave your questions in the comment section down below. Don't worry, because I will leave the link where you can access my RedBubble store in the video description down below. If you really want to support the channel even more, you can always buy one of my apparels, or you can also donate via my PayPal account. It's up to you. So thank you, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you won't ever miss out on any new video updates and important announcements about my channel, just like the video that I have just made for all of you about my new merch on demand store. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you won't forget about one of my new video uploads that I have just published, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and goodbye. See you around.